All right, family, so you are absolutely gonna love this Perry Homes right here in Conroe, Texas. It has a lot of the upgrades that you would want, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. Of course, if you want more information, link in the description below, and let's go take a look at it. All right, Rankin family, so we are touring a beautiful Perry Homes property right here near Houston. This one's in Conroe, Texas. This is the 3300 W floor plan. You're gonna have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, starting at 654,900. Of course, prices are subject to change, but this will give you an idea of what this one looks like. You may be able to get it a lot less, but this is the current asking price. So as you can see, you have your beautiful tray ceilings in the foyer. And then what we'll do is we'll start in the study so that way you can take a look at that. Of course, this one is going to have some beautiful ceilings. If you notice, you have the accent ceilings with the large window with the window grids. And I know a lot of folks absolutely love some of the accents that Perry has in here. Of course, you're going to have your French doors going into your office space. Like I said, this is a 3-car garage. You're going to have your little hall tree right there. But what we'll do is we'll start right here to the left. This will be the first bedroom. It's going to be essentially sectioned off. You have your LED ceiling fan right there, carpet in the bedrooms, nice size rooms, of course. Now, the good thing is about a lot of these new construction properties, you're going to have the bathroom attached to the guest room versus it being out in the hall or a shared bathroom. So that's good. And then of course you have your nice size walk-in closet right here. Plus you have your bathroom right here. Stainless steel lighting fixtures. You have white cabinetry in here. And then this will be your toilet with your shower tub combo. And this will essentially be a Jack and Jill deal. Right here, of course, you have stainless steel lighting fixtures again in here. And then this will be the second bedroom right here. So of course you got your nice lighting fixture right there. They did some cool things on the wall just to kind of give you an idea of what it would look like. Spruce it up a little bit. So carpet in the bedrooms. There are a lot of alternatives rather. I know a lot of people, you know, may like the carpet in there, may not, just depending on personal preference. And then this is going to be ceramic tile. That's ceramic tile flooring. I mentioned a lot, ceramic tile is extremely durable. So that's one of the good things. And of course, right here, you have your washroom. Nice size walker. So the good thing is you do have extra storage space up there. That's what a lot of folks like. So if that's one of your personal preferences. And then this will be, of course, your great room plus your kitchen. So notice you have your stone fireplace, your exposed wooden beam on the top as well. I know a lot of people love that. And then this will be your beautiful kitchen. So as you can see, the exposed beam goes to and from the great room as well as the kitchen. And then you have, of course, your nice waterfall countertops, backsplash matching the countertops as well. Same color tone. You have your stainless steel cooktop, wooden range hood on the top, cabinet crowns on the top as well. Adds a nice touch to it. And then you have your gold trim handles, stainless steel appliances, double oven right there, built-in microwave. And then now you have the 2 oversized island fixtures right there as well. And then we'll take a look to see what we're looking at in the pantry. Okay, decent sized pantry. Yeah, decent sized pantry. Enough space for what you need in there. And then as you see, even in the great room, you have your clear story windows right there. And then this will essentially be your game room right here. Game room off to the side, to the left. Look at this. Plenty of space. You can even put a 55, maybe even a 65-inch TV right there. Might even go a little bit bigger, maybe even a 75 right there, or a projector, or you can kind of situate it where you have maybe some movie theater couches right there, and then you can put up the TV over there or even a projector. Absolutely stunning. Of course, Perry Homes is one of the best builders in Texas, extremely reputable. And then this will be your beautiful primary bedroom. So you have your candlelight chandelier on the top. Gorgeous. And then if you see, even the back wall, add a nice touch to it. But look how beautiful this is. So plenty of furniture in here. You don't want that, situation where you have a lot of furniture in your primary bedroom and it just looks a lot cluttered. So the good thing is they did a fantastic job of adding enough space. And then this will be your beautiful primary bathroom. Get out the way for y'all. This will be the his and hers sink. As you can see, quartz countertops extending in here. Nice oversized soaking tub right there. You have your vanity area over here to the left as well. And then even right here, you have your waterfall shower head up there. And then you have 2 entry doors inside of this one. So perfect. This will be one of the closets in here. You have decent size. Even over here, it extends. Built-in shelving as well. As you can see, you have your tile flooring and it even matches right here. So that's absolutely amazing. They thought about some details in this property for sure. And then this will be a little storage closet right there. And of course right here for your toilet, you have your fogged out mirror, or your fogged out window rather. And then this will be the other walk-in closet. So you have plenty of space in here. It may not be too roomy, but we all have a wardrobe that, 50 to 70% of the clothes we don't even wear. We just kind of keep wearing the same 30%. So absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. And then this will be your powder bath right here. And then this will be your 4th bedroom right here. So of course, even right here, you got your quartz countertops extended in here again. Nice size standing shower with the black shower head matching the black knobs. And then let's see the size of this one. So of course you got your candlelight chandelier in here as well. Got a nice size space. Of course, how we talked about before, you have your queen size bed, 2 nightstands, and you still have plenty of space in here. So you could even use this one as the guest room. I know the other one was a Jack and Jill, so you might want to use that for the kids or whoever else. And then this could be a decent size guest room, because even when you close this door off, you'll still have that one attached and you don't have to worry about anything. And then now we'll go take a look at the backyard. So this one's situated on a 70-foot lot. Of course, you got your extended backyard patio as well with the ceiling fan. And then you even have the exposed wooden beam on the top extending out here as well. So as you can see, even just looking at that, absolutely stunning. And then if you notice, the ceramic tile extends out of here. So Perry Homes, they do a fantastic job of extending, that ceramic tile. They're one of the only builders that showcase that ceramic tile quite a bit. And quite frankly, that's one of my favorite floorings right there, especially for cleaning and for just the overall maintenance of it and just the appearance as well. So absolutely beautiful. And that, folks, is gonna be Perry Homes. All right, family, I hope you absolutely love this Perry Homes. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this property. I hope you absolutely loved it. And of course, check out some of the other homes that I've showcased on this channel. And last thing, if you want more information about it, link in the description below. And I'll see you folks on the next tour.